This is a tutorial on how to install your HSP roller cover to your Dodge Ram. Carefully cut box open and lay out the contents as shown. Lay the roller cover canister on its back, then remove the 4 side rail bolts. Carefully cut bubble wrap on the side rails and strip all clamps and the motor bolt. When fitting side rails of the HSP roller cover, be sure to slide the curtain of the roller cover into the slot as shown. Using previously removed side rail bolts, fasten in the holes as shown. On the motor side, be sure to line up the motor bolt before fastening. These are the parts included with your roller cover. Apply black tar included with the kit as shown. Place foam tape along the rear of the tub and cut to size. Disconnect the positive from the wiring loom. Place wiring through hole and drop down the wheel arch. Run wiring along the chassis to the battery. Attach the wiring to the battery, then reconnect the positive to the wiring loom. With 4 people, carefully lift the roller cover onto the vehicle and attach the wiring loom as shown. Pull roller cover to cab as shown. Attach clamps. Compress, seal and fasten. Connect wiring as shown and tuck into the bumper. Apply primer to foam tape, then stick rear seal as shown. Place roller cover top plate into canister as shown. Install adjusting bolt as shown and protective backing plate. Adjust side rails to suit tailgate as shown. Run drain pipe. Carefully drill hole in drain plug. Run drain pipe through. Apply lube spray that's included with your roller cover. Now you have successfully installed your HSP roller cover.